Navdesh ma'am. Good morning, Navdesh ma'am. Arpan, tomorrow there will be presentation in the
Oh,
class. As syllabus is completed, I will send the topic with date and with student name. Okay. Now I'm going to give a revision on HRM. Clear? So I'm going to share the screen.
मैम प्रेजेंटेशन बोल के लेके किवें
स्क्रीन शेयर करके, जैसे मैं कराती हूँ क्लास में.
ओके मतलब ਅਸੀਂ बुक ਚ शो ਕਰਾਂਗੇ शो
नो नो नो, गूगल पे बना के या पीपीटी बना के.
ओके मतलब करानी है
हाँ जी. इस पे स्क्रीन शेयर जैसे हम शेयर करते हैं ना, ऐसे स्क्रीन शेयर करके यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट इन द क्लास.
ओके मैम
Arpan, today we are going to revise recruitment and selection topic. Clear? Of HRM.
ओके मैम
Going to share the screen. Huh. You know, Arpan, what is recruitment? Recruitment, as we have done in the class earlier, recruitment means कि हम, for example, when there is vacancy in the organization, we give a recruitment post in the न्यूज़पेपर एड्स. ठीक है. तो जो रिक्रूटमेंट क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल हमें एक पर्सन को जॉब करनी है, हम रिक्रूटमेंट इज लाइक बहुत सारे एम्प्लॉयज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इंटरव्यू देने आते हैं. दैट इज अ रिक्रूटमेंट. सो रिक्रूटमेंट इज द कंपनी इज नोन एज बाय द पीपल एंड इट्स एम्प्लॉय. Human resource is the combination of quantitative and qualitative assessment of human being in the society. It doesn't mean only the number of people working in the organization is the aggregate of employees. employ skill, knowledge, ability, talent, aptitude, and creativity. The success and failure of an organization depend to an extent as to how much efficient and experienced and capable employees are procured and recruited. So, like this, a person give a company profile in the interview for a company. So recruitment is the first stage in the process. After recruitment we do a selection. Selection के बाद हम क्या करते हैं? Placement देते हैं. Then we have a orientation. Here recruitment is, पहले मैं आपको बेसिक समझा देती हूँ. रिक्रूटमेंट क्या होता है? रिक्रूटमेंट होता है पहले ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप जॉब के लिए जाते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल एक बैंक में वैकेंसी निकली है, ठीक है, तो एक एम्प्लॉय तो जाएगा नहीं इंटरव्यू के लिए. देयर विल बी 5 to 6 पर्सन. दैट इज अ रिक्रूटमेंट. एंड सिलेक्शन, वो उनका इंटरव्यू लेंगे और एम्प्लॉय को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. देन प्लेसमेंट इज, they will place in a which branch is situated in their hometown. देन एट लास्ट इज अ ओरिएंटेशन. फाइन. ओरिएंटेशन क्या होता है? जिसमें वो बैंक के बारे में बताएंगे, ये इसका कैफेटेरिया है, ये मैनेजर्स का रूम है, एवरीथिंग. लाइक यू हैव अ इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम, ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम इन द कॉलेज, जिसमें आपको बताते हैं दिस इज योर कैफेटेरिया, दिस इज योर क्लासरूम, दिस इज योर फैकल्टी रूम, दिस इज योर auditorium. Same like in a company, they tell each. And so orientation and induction से क्या होता है? Employee is familiar with the other person, he feel comfortable with the others. Clear, Arpan?
Yes, ma'am.
तो रिक्रूटमेंट क्या होता है? हमारा एक फर्स्ट प्रोसेस होता है. यू हैव आई थिंक स्टडीड इन +1 +2 ऑल्सो रिक्रूटमेंट सिलेक्शन.
Yes, ma'am.
दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. So, what is the recruitment process? It starts with planning, strategy development, searching, screening, evaluating, and control. So, recruitment planning, it is a first stage in the recruitment process. In planning involves the translation of likely job vacancy and information about the nature of these job into a set of objective and target that specify the number and type of applicant to be planned. Strategy development, make or buy, employ, technical sophistication of recruitment and selection, geographical distribution of labor market, compromise job seeker, source of recruitment, internal and external. So, what is the searching? It includes selling both the message and media diverse attention in the organization. Message refer to employment, advertisement, media refer to the source of any recruitment message. For example, employment exchange. So, what is the screening? The purpose of screening is to remove from the recruitment process at any early stage those applicants who are visibly unqualified for the job. Effective screening can save a great deal of time and money. Care must be exercised to ensure that potentially good employees are not lost. Evaluation and control, it is necessary as considerable costs are incurred in the recruitment process. Statistically, information should be gathered and evaluated to know the suitability of recruitment process. What is the selection? Selection has been regarded as the most important function of HR department. It ensures the organization that it has right number kind of people at the right place, and it is a process of differentiating between applicants in order to identify those with the great likelihood of a success. So selection process have a 9 points and recruitment process have a 5 points. Preliminary interview, selection test, employment interview, reference and background check, selection decision, physical examination, job offer, con- contract of employment, evaluation of selection and program. Preliminary interview, this is the purpose of the interview is the scrutinize of applicants, elimination of unqualified person. Selection test is different type of selection test may be administered depending on the job and the company. General tests are determined to applicants' ability, aptitude, and personality. So, employment interview is the next step in the selection process in the employment interview, and it give a reference and background checks. Many employer request name, address, telephone number, or references for the purpose to verify transformation and getting additional background information of an applicant. These are the physical examination, job offer, contract of employment, evaluation of selection program, the broad test of effectiveness of selection process is a systematic evaluation of conclusion is that we have to have another process of a recruitment and selection. Now next topic we are going to discuss, that is a placement and orientation. These all I am going to share in the group. For exams you can take help from this study material, right? So what is placement? A placement is said to be a process of fitting the selected person at the right job or a place. Fitting square pegs in a square hole and round peg in a round hole. Placement is a process of assigning a specific job to each of the selected candidate. A placement is an actual position of employee to specific job with rank and responsibility attached to it. It involves assigning a specific rank and responsibility to an individual. अर्पण, आपको समझ आ रहा है इंडक्शन एंड प्लेसमेंट क्या होता है? अर्पण, अर्पण, आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
तो प्लेसमेंट आपको पता लग गया जब आपकी जॉब के लिए इंटरव्यू देने जाओगे रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस में, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग अ सिलेक्टेड फॉर अ जॉब, देन यू विल बी प्लेस्ड फॉर अ राइट जॉब एट द राइट प्लेस। समझ आ गया?
Okay, ma'am.
देन
ਜਿਹੜਾ
उसके बाद, हाँ जी,
ਕਾਲਜ 'ਚ ਪਲੇਸਮੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਪਲੇਸਮੈਂਟ ਇਹ ਤੋਂ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ?
नहीं नहीं वही होता है। एक देखो, जो आप, एक होता है कॉलेज से प्लेसमेंट होता है, एक होता है वॉक इन इंटरव्यू होता है।
ओके।
ठीक है, अब जैसे मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ा रही थी, मेरी ये प्लेसमेंट नहीं हुई थी, दिस इज अ वॉक इन इंटरव्यू। समझ आया? कि हम आते हैं, जब हम पोस्ट देखते हैं न्यूज़पेपर में, ऐड देखते हैं, तो हम इंटरव्यू देने आ जाते हैं। देन दे गिव अ प्लेसमेंट, लाइक पैनल इंटरव्यू होता है पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी का लेक्चरर का।
ओके मैम।
फाइन। तो दे गिव कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी, पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी के अंडर आप कैपेबल हो पढ़ाने के लिए, तो दे प्लेस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज। क्लियर? तो
ओके।
इंडक्शन क्या होता है? जब हम किसी कॉलेज में प्लेस्ड हो जाते हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम जॉब करते हैं, वहाँ पर हम फैमिलियर हो जाते हैं। क्लियर? सो दीज आर द सिग्निफिकेंस एंड बेनिफिट्स। गुड रिजल्ट ऑन द जॉब, गेटिंग along with the people easily and proving themselves and learning and work excel in the job, avoid mistake and error. Now induction is once an employee is selected and placed on an appropriate job, the process of familiarizing him with the organization and work environment is known as induction. The process through which a new recruit is introduced into the organization. And orientation is, it is a well designed program which aim at recognizing a new employee and making him customized to his department, job role and work culture. An orientation session may vary from 1 day to several days depending on organization and departmental requirement. Induction is introduction with who you are going to work for, and orientation is role and responsibility and work culture. And objective are benefits and service of employees. These are your benefits. Are you clear with all this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt in any topic?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so tell what is recruitment.
Recruitment is the process when uh, any company give information about their job vacancy, and so many person applications are invited to apply for their job.
Okay. And what is selection?
Selection is the next process of recruitment. In selection